What's up, everybody? We are back with another video and another new 2026 Matchbox 5-pack. Today we're gonna take a look at construction crew. It seems like that this year there are two construction crew sets out there. We have this set, which is a carry forward pack. That means all of the models you see here are re-releases. We've seen these decos before. The other construction crew set, I think, has new variations, which is pretty cool, but I don't have any of these versions, so it's okay by me. And by the way, I paid €5 for these 5-packs, which is a pretty good deal these days, €1 per model. So let's take a quick look at the models in this set. As you can see, we get 4 generic Matchbox castings: the Water Hauler, the Plowverizer, the Ground Grinder, and the Dump Dozer, and one licensed model, which is the 1962 Nissan Junior in Renegade Deco. Now, quick look at the packaging. Our cover model is the Dump Dozer. So let's slide our models out and take a quick look at them. I have to admit, I'm not an expert for construction vehicles, and yeah, my collection of construction stuff from Matchbox isn't too big. So for example, from this one here, which is the Dump Dozer from 2012, I don't have any other version of this guy. As you can see, comes with tracks in the back and a moving part, which is pretty cool, saying Matchbox construction here on the side. I think this part looks kind of funny. It looks a little bit like a turtleneck in my opinion. But yeah, that's it for this one and all that I can say. Of course, there are many versions out from this one and also from the other ones. Pretty old castings. Next one up is the Ground Grinder. Also not one of my favorite castings. I think it's also from 2012. Yes, so pretty old. Many versions have been out there. Does it say here on the side? The Road Grader RG165. Yeah. I have 2 other versions from this one, and of course there's a lot of them out there in black, and definitely the best one in my opinion is this guy here in National Parks deco. Of course I collect national parks because, yeah, just a very cool deco. So let's put our Ground Grinder into the parking lot as we go on with, yeah, I would say that's the reason why I bought this set. This guy here, 1962 Nissan Junior in Renegade Deco. So this one looks kind of cool. It comes with an orange interior and part of the bed is orange. Yeah, I think this one looks really good. Wheels are a nice match. As you can see, this also has a unit number in the back saying unit number 2. I only have 2 other versions from this casting. I think this one was also from a 5-pack. This one, I don't know. Comes with a trailer hitch, as you can see, and but there are many more versions out there. You know, these are the typical castings I normally only get in these 5-packs. But I do have a pretty small Renegade collection because I really like the deco. I have this Unimog here. We have the excavator, unit number 85. And we have this guy, which is, I think, the scraper. That seems like it doesn't have a unit number. So yeah, Renegade deco, pretty cool. And nice to add another version to the collection, the Nissan Junior. Into the parking lot it goes. We are putting the other Rennick stuff to the side as we take a quick look at our next one, which is the Plowverizer. Pretty interesting. Comes with this metal part here in the front. Pretty interesting. So a quick look at the base, and we see that this is really old, 2005, and then retooled in 2013. I only have one other version, and that's another deco that I really do like, which is ink. Also pretty cool. This was in a 5-pack last year, I think. There we have the Plowverizer, and then we take a quick look at the last one, which is the Water Hauler in orange and blue, saying H2O on the side of this tank. Yeah, that's okay. Let's take a quick look at the base. This one's from 2015, so more than 10 years old. And yeah, these are the other versions that I do have. This guy's saying Waterworks, and then I think also last year saw the ink version, which is pretty nice. I mean, if you are collecting one of these decos, it's kind of cool if you have, I don't know, 10 or I don't know, 15 of these models. Looks so cool when they are all together, even though, you know, the scale normally is pretty wild. But anyways, let's put our water hauler in the parking lot, and yeah, as always, at the end of these videos I'm picking a favorite, and this time it's pretty easy. Of course, it is the Nissan Junior in Rennick deco. This one is really nice. With that said, thanks for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time.